Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs, Miracle Glow Oil, as well as Larimar Elixir and the soaps at savvynaturalista.com. In this episode, we will be dermaplaning our face at home, and this is going to be a dermaplaning routine for combination skin / dry skin. My skin's been really dry lately because, you know, I live in a desert, so I want to teach you guys how to dermaplane for dry skin / combination skin at home, and that's what we're going to do. So the first thing I like to do, I have a few tips before we actually get into dermaplaning our face. I want to say this is an exfoliation of the face, so you're essentially shaving your face, you're removing sort of the peach fuzz, which is actually good and it's supposed to be on your skin, but some people don't like it and some people have a lot of it. And you're also removing dead skin cells and you're helping minimize your acne as well as acne scars. So it's pretty good to dermaplane your face. What I want to say is, if you are doing lots of manual exfoliations, meaning you're using any type of sugar or facial scrubs, any type of walnut scrubs, coffee scrubs, whatever type of facial scrubs you use, any type of manual or chemical exfoliation you do use, please don't dermaplane your face at home, because if you do, you're going to you've already used a manual or a chemical exfoliation on your face. There's no need for you to dermaplane your face. So please, that's my tip. If you do that, you may want to not do it, because you can cause sort of tears to your skin. You will actually start causing micro tears or lacerations to the skin if you're dermaplaning your face as well as using heavy manual or chemical exfoliation. So you need to do one or the other. You got to pick one. Either it's going to be a dermaplane day or a physical or chemical exfoliation for you, but you need to pick. You don't want to do both or simultaneously do them at the same time. I recommend either you do this or you manual exfoliate. Don't say, oh, well, I'm a manual exfoliate once a week and then go to dermaplaning. You will ruin your skin. That's just my important tip. And I actually learned that from an esthetician that I went to when I used to, you know, have a lot of money to be going. But, you know, we're on a budget, so we're going to do this at home. With that being said, I also have another tip. Please moisturize your face. So I'm going to be using 2 moisturizers because my skin is really dry and I live in the desert. I'm going to be using 2 moisturizers to moisturize my face. My face is clean, so I'm just going to add more moisture to my face. I'm going to add this Nug sleeping mask, and it can also be used as the moisturizer in the morning, and it has hyaluronic acid as well as aloe vera juice. So I'm just going to add a quarter size amount. Y'all know I have a big head, and so I'm just going to add this to my face. And then after that, I'm just going to layer it with the oil, because some people recommend if you're doing this at home. Now, if you're going to an esthetician, let them do all of the work for you, but this is just specifically for at home. You want to have a lot of moisturizer on your face while you're dermaplaning. So I did use Larimar Elixir, which you can find at savvynaturalista.com, as an extra moisturizer. I know you guys saw it, but I'm gonna just do it again. As an extra moisturizer before I dermaplane, because dermaplaning is shaving the face. You can cause redness, you can cause sores, and you want to protect the skin while you're exfoliating the skin, because you're using a razor. So, you know, these are already clean, but make sure you clean your razor. Now, you want to be very gentle with your face. I also want to say this. So if you could see, this razor has like a little nick right here. If your razor starts to get a little nick, let me see, it's right here. I hope you guys can see it. If you can't see it, it's like the blade is sort of like peeling from it, if you could see it. Once your razor starts to get that sort of nick, you need to stop using it immediately and throw it away. Even if it's a one use, do not use it anymore. You will cause lacerations on your skin or micro tears on your skin as well. So please don't use razors like this. Once they get a little nick, throw it away immediately. You hear a little noise, it's the camera auto-focusing. So let's get started. So I prefer to do downward strokes when I'm dermaplaning. As you can see, I have a lot of breakouts right now, but let's just go down. You want to be very gentle as possible with dermaplaning. I don't know if I mentioned that, but please be gentle to your skin. Do not be rough. There we go. You guys can see. Wow, look at that. You guys see that? Oh my god, look at that. See, oh my god, that is so wow. Let's wipe it off. Wow, you guys, look it. That's what it looks like. Wow. I really needed to exfoliate. It's been a minute. Wow. Whoa, look at this, you guys. Can you guys see that? Wow. I didn't know my face needed an exfoliation. This is crazy. Okay, let's do this side. Let me clean it first. So I just cleaned it. Wow. Oh my god, it looks horrible. Wow. Oh my god, look at all that on my forehead. I didn't realize I have a lot of forehead hairs. Wow. I'm kind of worried because when I was younger, I used to shave my eyebrows. So I'm just like praying, like, please don't shave your eyebrows. You don't want to be looking janky in the next videos for the next few months. So let's do this side. Wow, y'all see that? Wow. Oh, you guys. Wow, did you look at, whoa. Wow. Wow. And that's like one stroke. Whoa. You guys, oh my god, and I only added 2 moisturizers, and this is what my face is looking like. As many videos as I do about taking care of skin, my skin's walking around looking like this. This is crazy. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I've got most of my face, so now I'm going to get my problem areas that I can't stand. So right here specifically. Now I did get my nose, so I'm not going to get it again, but I'm going to get the sides of my nose. Oh. Okay, so I feel like I didn't get this area really well, so I'm gonna just go over it again. I know I've went over it a few more times, but those breakouts look really bad. So, there we go. Okay. Oh, I got over it. Okay, that's it. Okay, you guys, so I've got most of my face. It's looking okay. Now, here is the paper towel. Can y'all see this? I want to show you this weird hair. Like, oh my god. So this is really gross, but I had to show you guys what came off of my face. This is what it looks like. It looks horrible, I know. There's like a little black hair somewhere, like right there. I didn't realize I had all this on my face. And you guys know how bad I take care of my skin, and my skin was looking a mess. So, oh my god, look at that black hair. What is that? What is that, y'all? Oh my god. Pray for me. That is gross. I cannot believe all this was on my face. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my face and then do a close-up of the results of the dermaplaning. AKA shaving your face. So I just hope it looks really good. So we're just gonna do the close-up. So let me go ahead and rinse my face. Okay, so my face is officially rinsed. I'm going to dry it and then we can talk about it, and I'll give you guys a little more tips. Okay, so now that my face is completely dry, I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see. So this is what it looks like. If you can notice, my breakouts are like so minimum now. Like they were really big and they're smaller now than they were. That's why I love dermaplaning. But this is my forehead. This is my nose. This is my chin. Y'all know I scraped the devil out of my chin. It looks really good now. Let me look in the mirror. My chin looks... Wow, my chin looks much better. I don't even know this chin. Wow, you guys. Okay, come through, Dermaplane. Come through. Come through. Oh, my God. Come through, Dermaplane. So I will be adding Larimar Elixir to my face again just to add a little hydration because I did rinse off my face. So you can find Larimar Elixir at SavvyNaturalista.com. Larimar Elixir contains all natural blue tansy essential oil. So make sure you check that out at SavvyNaturalista.com. Okay, you guys, so let's talk about dermaplaning and, you know, some things I recommend for doing it at home. I do recommend you do it once a week. Dermaplaning is a heavy-duty exfoliation. It's not like manual exfoliations or chemical exfoliations, which you can do sometimes 2 to 3 times a week. This is a different type of exfoliation. So if you are doing it at home, I do recommend you do it once a week. You will have a little soreness, especially if you're new to it, because you know you're using a razor, so you can accidentally nick yourself, but just go really lightly over your face, no more than once or twice. I know you guys see me do it more than once or twice, but I've done it a while. But if you're new to it, do it once or twice. I also recommend, please do not go in the sun when you dermaplane. The sun can harm your skin. You are removing dead skin cells off of your skin. You're also removing those hairs off your skin that do protect your face from the skin. But if you like a smooth face, then go ahead and remove the hairs. It's up to you what you do with your skin. It's your skin, it's your face. Someone to say, oh, keep the hairs, they're important. They are important, but if you like a smooth face, then go ahead and remove them. There should be no one telling you what to do with your face. If you like a smooth, clean face and you don't like those hairs, then go ahead and remove them. But be careful with being in the sun because you are removing those hairs. You're exposing your skin and you don't need to go in the sun. So I would recommend, if you're doing this, just stay in the house for about 24 hours, maybe even 48 hours, especially if it's summertime, depending on where you live. So, you know, stay in the house. 24 hours, just stay in the house because you're exposing yourself to the sun and it could damage your skin when you're using this. And if not, then use an umbrella, cover your face up, wear a big large hat, wear a hoodie. If you're like an urban girl or urban chick, wear your hoodie, wear a hat, wear something. You want to cover your face with a scarf, anything to keep out of the sun if you are doing this at home. I also recommend moisturize really, really well when you are doing this, especially if you first start out. If you need to use Vaseline, aka petroleum jelly, when you first start out doing this, by all means. I do recommend you use Miracle Glow oil or Larimar Elixir, but whatever type of oil you use, please use something to protect your skin when you're doing this for the first time. It is important and it is imperative so you don't nick yourself, you don't get any scars, any lacerations, anything on your skin. It is really important. You are using a razor. Also, after you're finished, throw that razor away. Do not be cheap and keep it and clean it. No, girl, just throw it away. They like $1 a razor, okay? Come on now, they're cheap. Just throw them away. With that being said, those are all my tips. If you do feel any soreness, then I recommend you stay in the house. So if you have any type of soreness after you do it, you stay in the house. Do not go in the sun at all. You just stay in your home until the soreness goes away. And the soreness, I would say, when I first started doing it, it went away in about a few hours, sometimes 24 hours. Trust me, when I first started doing this, which was like years ago, I literally nicked myself and was bleeding. So I'm a pro at it now. With that being said, I hope you guys really enjoyed this episode of dermaplaning at home. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I hope I gave you enough tips to do this on your own. It's really easy. Just be very, very gentle. You know, because you are not using any type of shaving foam or any type of shaving cream, you're going to have to use oils. And remember, this is actually just a straight blade going on your face. It's like what the barbers use to hack you, you know. With that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs, and I'll see you in our next video. I love you so much. Bye, you guys. Mwah.